And I think the first one I'll point out is the assumption that we see things the same way. And that assumption leads to a lot of mistakes in the way that we relate with one another. So, for example, I'm happy to have a man that kept a lot of female friends and have some girly features in terms of like gisting and stuff like that. But that doesn't happen to every man. So, the first example I want to give is when you are sharing a problem or when you are sharing an issue with a man, they automatically think you are asking them for the solution. But when a woman is sharing an issue with another woman or with even a man, she's not looking for a solution. She's just looking for a listener or somebody to, it's just like a pass on conversation. Oh, my office today, this person did this, or something, someone said this. I felt this way. I thought of this. She's just looking for a gist mate. She's just looking for somebody to listen, to be like, wow. So I happen to grow up in a home where in my family we had 8 girls. So we gist and we don't get tired of gisting. But nobody is talking to another to say, oh, that's not how to actually do it. Like you are just gisting. Even when you offer solution, it's not like a solution per se. It is just a gist, a conversation. But when you share with a man, like I come back home and I'm telling my husband, don't you think you're supposed to speak up? And no, no, I'm not talking about speaking up. I'm just talking about this
What
was
happened?
what happened. Like, don't
Don't
it's
judge
not
me.
a
I'm not going
conversation
to.
of judgment or this is what to do or this is how to solve the problem. It's gist. And sometimes something as little as that leads to conversation tussles between husband and wife because the man is like, you won't even listen, you don't even want correction, you don't even want somebody. But the thing is, the woman is not looking for that. The woman is just looking for a gist mate. And if you are not in the mood to gist, it's just respectful to say, can we talk about this later, darling? Then she'll be like, oh, okay, yeah, we'll talk about it later. Finish. But don't come to say, do this, do that, this is that. So why were you talking about it if you don't want a solution? No, she's not looking for a solution. She's just looking for a gist mate. So that's the first example I'm going to give. Like